Here it is, my new to me 2015 F350 Lariat with the 6.7 Powerstroke. I've been looking for this truck for at least 3 months, and I finally found it at a dealership down in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. And they gave me actually more than I originally wanted to trade in. I had a 2016 Focus ST, and this truck had it all with low miles. It only had 56,000 miles on it, and I had to pick it up. I couldn't leave it there. I'm pretty picky. As you can see, it has the cab lights, which is actually pretty hard to find these days, which I really don't understand why. It does have the nice roll and lock tonneau cover. Still don't know if I'm going to be keeping that or not, but for now I'll just leave it on there. The truck came with a pretty nice fifth wheel hitch, but at the moment I do not have a use for this, so I will probably be posting it for sale. The tailgate has the easy up stepper, or whatever Ford calls it. Hard to do this with one hand. You can see that locks in place. The step comes out. The previous owner did me, I don't know if you can see that in the light, but a real nice crease right here. So I'm gonna have a body shop touch that up. He left a nice little ding right there, and somehow managed to have a matching crease on this side that's actually even worse than the other side, unfortunately. Looks like he added some chrome, I don't know what you even want to call it, but like the paint protectors. Kind of protects against rock chips, but I hate chrome. So I haven't decided if I'm going to either just take it off, or if I'm going to paint it, or if I'm going to wrap over it. Because my intentions for this truck is anything that's chrome or any trim pieces are going to be either gloss and or matte black. And he also, it's kind of hard to tell, it almost looks like a reflection, but there's actually, this is all a sticker here. You can see there it's torn already, but it looks like garbage. So that's first on my list. Things to do with this truck is get those nasty stickers off. As you can see here, it looks really, really bad. He's got that all the way even up to the hood. Let's take a look inside. As I said, this is the Lariat package. Excuse my nasty floor mat. I still have not ordered floor mats for this thing. It did not come with any, unfortunately. But with the Lariat, you got the full leather seats, obviously powered. It does have the memory seat, so you can have 2 different presets. Got the power folding mirrors, power telescoping mirrors, lock, window lock, obviously windows. Here you got your dimmer, headlights, obviously steering wheel controls, your cruise control, and your radio control. This does not have the FX4 package, so I do not have the downhill descent control, which I live in Wisconsin, so I really have no use for that anyway. Traction control off. Have not monkeyed with that yet. That should be fun in the snow. 4-wheel drive. Got the exhaust brake here, a power outlet, obviously all your radio controls, AC controls, nothing special. Got the 4 auxiliary switches here, which I'm really happy to see. Trailer brake controller. I just added some cheapo Amazon foam mount. Up here, sunglasses holder or taco holder. This does have a sunroof, and don't know if you can see between the lights there, but you got tilt for the sunroof, slide open for the sunroof, and this also has a power rear sliding window. You got another 12 volt outlet, an actual AC outlet. Big center console. Nothing special, nothing really to see there. This does have the heated and cooled front seats, which I have to admit are really freaking nice. Gonna be hard to go back to a vehicle without that. This does have the remote start. And I still cannot get over how quiet this thing is. I mean, it sounds like you wouldn't even hardly know that this thing's diesel. So quiet. Especially compared to that thing. That thing's a freaking freight train. You hear that thing a mile away just at idle. Which it is for sale, by the way. Hit me up. Can't even tell it's running. We're going to have to change that in the near future. But the government doesn't like that. I have many plans for this truck. I do plan on doing pretty much the same setup as that. 6-inch lift on 37s, might go 38s. We will see, but having just bought this truck, I'm kind of short on funds to having any fun. So maybe once I sell this hitch back here, wait for a couple paychecks, maybe we'll see what I can do. But I guess that is the short rundown on my 2015 F350 Lariat with the 6.7 diesel.